Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to buy iPad 10th generation. They could not buy this tablet during Black Friday sale because the price was very high. Currently, if you want to buy this tablet, you can buy this at around 28,899 rupees if you have ICICI credit card or Kotak credit card. Currently, the price of this iPad 10th generation 64GB Wi-Fi version is 31,899 rupees, and using ICICI credit card you will get 3,000 rupees cashback, and also you can get 100 rupees cashback using your super coin. So the effective price will be around 28,900 rupees. Yet I think the price is on the higher side, but if you need badly a tablet under 30,000 rupees, this is the best option right now that you can buy. Actually, iPad 10th generation comes with 10.9 inches non-laminated display. The display quality is excellent. It is a 60 Hz display. If you look closely at the display, you will see that there is a gap between the touch panel and the main glass, though you can notice only if you look at it very closely. Actually, the outdoor visibility of this tablet is excellent. As you can see here, under direct sunlight also you can clearly see the display, so you can use this tablet outdoor also. Multimedia consumption on this tablet is a joy, and also the stereo speakers are very good. iPad 10th generation comes with ipencil support, but you have to buy ipencil separately, or you can buy a third-party ipencil. This is Kingone ipencil that I have bought from Amazon.in. If you want to buy this ipencil, you can buy from the links given in the description. Performance of this ipencil is satisfactory. I am getting a very good charge cycle, and also there is no latency while using it in the Note app, and also the default Note app of Apple is very feature rich. After recent update, you will get all the features that need to be a good note-taking app. If you want to know about the note-taking experience of iPad 10th generation, you can search the description where I have put the link of that video. If you want to edit videos on iPad 10th generation, this is a very good option as it comes with a 14 Bionic chipset. The video rendering speed is very good. You can export your video in 4K 60 FPS without any lag. I normally edit my videos on iPad 10th generation. I have made a dedicated video of how to use InShot app on iPad 10th generation. So if you want to watch that video link is also in the description. After the recent update of iPadOS 18.1.1, I am getting a very good battery life, plus I have made some customization of getting good battery life from my iPad 10th generation. I am normally getting 10 hours plus SOT on a single charge. That is incredible. But if you are buying the 64GB version, in that case you might feel shortage of storage in due course of time, because 64GB in 2024 is very less. So you will have to keep deleting things at regular intervals to keep your internal storage free. However, you can use SSD or any Type-C pen drive. So in the conclusion, if you want to buy iPad 10th generation right now, you can buy if you have urgency. Otherwise, you could wait for next sale, that will be Christmas sale, before this year end. Hope this video has become informative to you. Let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy iPad 10th generation or not. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.